Originally intending to cause trouble in Asia, they almost got eaten to extinction. Today, let's take a look at the 4 most embarrassing invasive species. 4th place, Procambarus clarkii, red swamp crayfish. Also known as crayfish, it might be the most tragic invasive species in Asia. Originally from the southern United States, it was introduced to Japan as feed for bullfrogs. Unexpectedly, the crayfish quickly took over Japan, destroying crops and occupying the living space of native species, causing the Japanese to gnash their teeth in frustration. In the 1930s, it was brought to Asia by the Japanese. The crayfish initially thrived in Asia as well, but was later discovered by Asian food lovers, who developed various flavors. Now, not only is there a high domestic demand for crayfish, but it is also exported to other countries, with an annual production value exceeding 400 billion yuan. 3rd place, bullfrogs. Native to North America, the bullfrog is named for its large size and bull-like sound. It was introduced to Asia on a large scale in the 1980s. Bullfrogs are actually a very dangerous invasive species, each weighing around 2 kilograms and capable of swallowing mice and even snakes. Their strong reproductive ability poses a severe threat to native frog species. Fortunately, their taste is simply too delicious, with Shanghai alone consuming 500,000 pounds of bullfrogs daily. They now have to be farmed artificially, but precautions are needed to prevent them from escaping into uninhabited areas. 2nd place, starfish. This peculiar creature originally lived in the North Pacific. After invading Asia, it began to reproduce massively. Despite their cute appearance, starfish are actually very formidable carnivores that devour surrounding shellfish like abalone, causing significant losses to coastal fishermen. However, food lovers discovered that starfish are not only nutritious but also tasty, leading to various preparations such as frying and steaming. Now, 500,000 tons of starfish are harvested monthly, and demand still exceeds supply. 1st place, oysters. As a popular barbecue delicacy, many people have eaten oysters. They might have invaded Asia as early as the Song dynasty by crossing the ocean. In some European countries, they cause numerous problems. A few years ago, the Danish embassy even sought help from Asian food lovers to deal with the oyster overpopulation problem. Within just a few days, the food lovers had cleared the coast of overpopulated oysters. However, there are some invasive species that even food lovers can't handle. Do you know which ones?